Ito pala yung ano lang, ano, bagong-bago lang. Rappler Live. Laya na raw si ano. Ay ano. Na-acquit daw si Madam Laila de Lima sa lahat ng kasong naisampa sa kanya. Ibig sabihin, may problema ang Duterte admin nito. May problema. Ano to eh? Siguradong babakbakan ng ano to, ng mama ka LP ang Duterte admin. Ito ay attorney ni Laila de Lima.
The court had already granted the demarrer to evidence filed by the defense. So it means an acquittal on the part of the all of the accused. As the judge says so, they may now enjoy their...
Ay, pati yung mga kasama niya, sila Junel.
But we have not yet read the...
Junel, pasok!
So we are not discounting the possibility of exhausting all proper legal remedies. And as head of the panel, maybe this week I will convene all the members to discuss whether or not we will file a motion for reconsideration or any other legal remedies that may be warranted under the circumstances.
What will stop you from filing an MR?
Well, it is still premature on our part because we still have yet to read the decision. We do not know if the judge had made some overstep its boundaries or there was sufficient discretion on the accusation of evidence. But that is still to be discussed and only to be found out.
So, just to clarify, you're still contemplating on filing an MR?
Well, it will depend upon the decision, the contents of the decision. Well, there is no reason.
You're still contemplating on filing an MR?
That is, we are not discounting the possibility. We consider that as an option.
How do you feel about it?
How do I feel about it? It's work, no? We have no personal...
Mga attorney ni ano to, ni Senator Laila, di ba?
We just do our job, and if the evidence is appreciated by the court, we just submit to the sound discretion of the judge.
So, anong pwede na isama nyo sa MR na basis?
Well, we have not yet decided nga. Pag-aaralan pa namin.
Kung tuwa itong mga attorney, talaga itong mga...
stands true and
ano,
solid, we would have no basis to proceed further.
We would not like to waste the time of the court by filing frivolous MR. We still have to study the decision. Well,
3-0 and 1 on petition pending. So,
well, we are also very happy for the good senator because once upon a time she was our former boss, and we do not lose our respect even though we are on the other side of the fence. But it's our duty to prosecute.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, thank you.
Acquitted na yata. Ay, ano bang, ano nito, bakit pinatatagal ito? Ano ba talaga totoong nangyari? Hirap kasi intindihin, English eh.
So nakikita nyo sa inyong camera, pinapakita ni Attorney Bonita Cargon, isa sa mga lawyers ni former Senator Laila de Lima, yung dispositive part. Pag sinabi pong dispositive part, ito po yung dulong bahagi ng resolusyon, desisyon ng korte or order ng korte kung saan sinasabi kung ano naging desisyon ng korte. Ito, so nakuha nating kopya, ay sabi ng korte, thus assessing the totality of the evidence presented by the prosecution, the court is of the firm resolve and so holds that the prosecution was not able to prove the guilt of all the accused beyond reasonable doubt. Wherefore, for failure of the prosecution to give or to prove the guilt of all the accused beyond reasonable doubt, the respective demurrer to evidence filed by the accused are granted. So, ang mga kasama pong na-acquit ni former Senator Laila de Lima dito sa kasong ito ay sina Franklin Jesus Bucayo, Ronnie Palisok Dayan, si Ronnie Dayan, si Jonel Sanchez, si Jose Adrian Tiamsondera, at silang lahat. Yung nagbaba ng resolusyon o nagbaba ng desisyon na ito sa korte na ito ay si Judge Generito, ang presiding judge ng Muntinlupa City Regional Trial Court, Branch 206. It was or he is the same judge who granted former Senator Laila de Lima's bail petition in 2023 and also the same judge who granted former Senator Laila de Lima's request for furlough to visit her ailing mom. All smiles pa rin si Attorney Bonita Cardon habang pinapakita niya sa mga miyembro ng media ang kopya ng petition or kopya ng case or decision ng korte. So, hindi pa rin mababa si former Senator Laila de Lima, pero nakikita pa rin natin na nagtitipon-tipon pa rin yung kanyang mga supporters, nakabang pa rin yung kapatid niya na si Sir Vic Boy de Lima at pamangkin ni Senator Laila de Lima.
Oh, ayan. Laya na si Senador. Ronnie Dayan, laya na rin. Si Junel, ano? Junel? Si Papa Junel, laya na rin. Ay siguradong tuwang-tuwa ang mga LP nito. LP team. Pasok! Mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay po kayo, Madam Laila de Lima. Congratulations po sa ano niya. Congratulations Junel, congratulations Ronnie Dayan, congratulations. Mabuhay. Ayan. Pwede nyo nang bumawi kayo, ipakulong nyo rin yung DDS. Ay, joke lang. Ayan, pagkakataon nyo na, hawak nyo yata Korte Suprema ngayon Hawak nyo yata ang Korte Suprema, bumawi naman kayo. Pagkakataon nyo na yan, tira, pasok. Ay, congratulations po paulitin ko, congratulations po. Maraming inuman na, walwalan na.